అందరికీ నమస్కారం. కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ చాప్టర్ లో యాక్టివిటీ నెంబర్ 3. This is activity number 3. In this activity number 3, if I take this is zinc granules. Zinc granules means what? Zinc pieces. Zinc pieces is taken in a conical flask and add HCl. HCl means hydrochloric acid. This is hydrochloric acid. Slowly added to the zinc granules. Zinc granules react with hydrochloric acid. React with hydrochloric acid. Zinc granules slowly react with hydrochloric acid and to form hydrogen gas. Slowly here hydrogen gas, here hydrogen gas slowly here liberated the hydrogen gas. Remaining solution is zinc chloride. Here zinc pieces react with hydrochloric acid and slowly here liberating the hydrogen gas. This is activity number 3. Remaining solution is here.